Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be cooking this Char Sui Pork Tenderloin and we'll be serving it in bao buns. We'll be cooking this on the Ninja Woodfire Grill using Ninja Robust pellets at a temperature of around 180 degrees C, that's 350 degrees F. As always, we'll be cooking to internal temperature of the pork, which we're aiming for around 65 degrees C, 150 F, which should take about 50 minutes. The first thing we need to do is to make the marinade for the char siu pork. So we've got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of runny honey, 3 tablespoons of Hoisin Sauce, 3 tablespoons of Oyster Sauce, almost forgot that one, 1 tablespoon of Soy Sauce, half a tablespoon of Dark Soy Sauce, 1 teaspoon with Chinese 5 spice, and I've got 2 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste. You can use 2 cloves of garlic and a thumb size piece of fresh ginger if you require. Get that in and give that a good mix in. Now this is our pork tenderloin. Let's take a Ziploc bag. Take our pork tenderloin, put that in our bag, and all we're going to do then is take our marinade and pour it in. Zip it up. I'm just going to give that a good massage in. It's well covered in the marinade. And now we need to refrigerate this. We can do it minimum of 3 to 4 hours, best overnight. So we're going to do this overnight and we're going to pick this up tomorrow. We've got our pork now that's been marinated for 24 hours. All we need to do now is to get onto the Ninja Woodfire. We're going to be using the air fry with the wood smoke technology. So let's get it on. As you can see, I've got a rack in here because I want circulation under the meat as well. Just let this drain off a bit. We'll get it on our rack. And also we're going to be using our meter plus. We're going to go into the thickest part of this meat. Shut down. I say air fry 180. We'll set an hour on the clock. Wood smoke and start. Now we're going to turn our attention to this while the pork's cooking. This is the marinade. We're going to add it to a pan. We're going to gently simmer it so it comes down to it's a nice thick consistency. Then we're going to use that to brush on to the char siu pork. As you can see now, our marinade has started to thicken up. Now our marinade stroke glaze has thickened up. We'll get some onto the pork. Give this 5 minutes, we'll turn it over and we'll do the other side. So now that's had 5 minutes, we're going to go in. Got the colour starting to come on that now. We're going to flip it. Get our glaze again. We're going to glaze this side. Back on. This another baste. Turn. Go again. So just look at these temperatures here. So 66 degrees was our target temperature. We've got 180 set on the Ninja Woodfire, but the meter plus is reading 193. So I'm absolutely astounded. That pork tenderloin has took nowhere near 50 minutes to cook. This tenderloin is cooked in 20 minutes from start to finish. What I need to do now is get it off. Look at the colour, that's an amazing colour. Get it off. We're going to get it into a dish. Now we're going to cover this. Let it rest. So our pork's had about 10-15 minutes resting. I think it's about time we cut into it. Slice out of here. That's still got a little bit of pinkness in the middle. Look at that. So, let's have a taste. Definitely got that Chinese flavour. Smoke is subtle, but it is there. And that marinade, come glaze, whatever you want to call it, is delicious. All I've got to do now is get the rest of this cut up. We'll get it plated up in our bayo buns, and I'll show you what they look like.